Today, we're going to be taking a look at the BlitzWolf P15, a rechargeable battery powered electric hand warmer. I bought this hand warmer because I like to be outside and fly my drones, but the cold weather gets to my fingers and my batteries. So I picked this up in hopes of solving those two problems. So, does it actually work? Is it really warm? Well, my cat seems to like it, but if you want the finer details, keep watching. Using the hand warmer is very simple. Hold down for 3 seconds the button on the right to turn it on. It starts it in the lowest power mode. You can use that button again using single presses to change to different modes. The highest temperature mode can deliver 55 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit. You can give the button a double tap while it's on to reveal the remaining battery life. To charge the hand warmer, all you need is a standard micro USB cable. You plug it in and it charges in about 3 hours, which is what I would expect for a 5200 milliampere hour lithium ion battery over USB. In a pinch, the hand warmer can be turned into a battery bank. There's a large USB port at the bottom of the device where you can plug in a phone or anything that charges over USB. Now, you're probably not going to get a full charge on your phone or device while you're using the warmer as well, but it's there if you need it. You're probably wondering, does this thing actually work? And the answer is yes. It keeps my fingers nice and toasty warm, and it's great that both sides are heated. Now, my personal preference has been to run this device at maximum temperature output power of 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius. But how long is it going to last doing that? So I put it to the test. I put it outside in the worst case scenario. Open to the elements at all times, open to the cold. It was 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and I came in at just under 2 hours, about an hour and 42 minutes of runtime in the highest mode. Now, that sounds terrible because they advertise anywhere between 4 to 8 hours of working time. However, the devil's in the details. They don't tell you what mode that they got that 48 hours on. And in the manual, it actually tells you that the test was conducted in 20 degrees Celsius ambient temperature or around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So the takeaway is that if you're hoping to get that extra toasty 8 hour runtime out of this thing, that's not happening. But I will say this. I think you can expect a little more runtime than the tests that I conducted outside because, for the most part, people are going to be using this in their pockets, in their coats. It's not going to be exposed to the cold. It's not going to be nipping away at the battery, making it work even harder to stay warm. And I think you're going to get more runtime out of real normal use. And I say that because I feel like that's been my unscientific test experience of just having it in my pockets or in my bags. It's definitely lasted longer than 2 hours. One of my main reasons for purchasing this device was to keep my drone Lipo batteries warm because if your Lipo batteries are cold, then you're not going to get any flight time. I can pop this in my battery bag, turn it on, let it heat up. As you can see, the bag is expanding from the heat and it retains an actual decent temperature in there. I use this thermometer, it's just a basic fever checking thermometer to see what temps I got, and I was getting some decent temperatures in there, just a rough estimate. And the bag felt warm. So this absolutely works for me. I can keep my batteries warm in the field. They're not going to freeze. I can pop them out of the bag and fly. And I'm not going to have to worry about it. All right. And with that being said, that's a wrap on the BlitzWolf hand warmer. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And with that being said, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.